everyone, now we are going to start GK new chapter all about music on page number 33. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about the music. Okay, means when we are playing the music, so which kind of instrument we are using while playing the music. So about that we will study. Okay, first is given here. Flute is a wind instrument that is associated with Lord Krishna. Okay, as you know, our one God is there, Lord Krishna. He is very keen of flute. Okay, flute. Okay, he always used to play the flute. Okay, it is a very good instrument. As you can see, it is given here. It is a flute. Okay, it is a wind instrument. Okay, when we will play it from the here, it is you can see there holes are there. Okay, then in the hole air will come. Okay, when we will play it with the help of air, then we can properly play it. Okay, that's why we are saying it's a wind instrument that is associated by the Lord Krishna. Okay, now second is given here the guitar. The guitar is a western string instrument in which sound is produced by plucking a series of string. Okay, it is a guitar. As you can see, it is a guitar. Okay, it is a guitar. When we will play it, so here is some wire used to be given. Okay, when we will plugging it in again a series, then different kind of sound used to produce. Okay, without stringing them, we cannot hear the sound. This is a guitar. Now third is given here the violin. Okay, the violin, also known as the fiddle, is played with a bow. Okay, as you can see, it is also looking like a guitar, but it is not guitar. It is a violin. We are playing with it with the help of this stick. Okay, it is also known as the fiddle with a bow. Now fourth is given is Sahnai. The sound of Sahnai or Mangal Vadya is considered auspicious. Okay, Sahnai is used to get played in the marriage party. Okay, it's a Sahnai. The person whose home marriage is going on, so there's some person used to come for playing the instruments. Okay, so on that good auspicious occasion, they used to just play it. That is a Sahnai. Okay, on the Mangal Karyakram we are just playing it. On a good occasion, good festival, we are just playing it Sahnai. Now fifth is given is the trumpet. Trumpet is an instrument made of brass and it noted for its powerful twang. This is a trumpet. It is known as its powerful voice. Okay, when we used to go in the barat, in the marriage party, today in the barat, some person used to play with it, trumpet. By this, so much good and loud sound used to produce. Okay, it's a very powerful twin also. It is called trumpet. Now, sixth is given here the veena. The veena is a string musical instrument from ancient India. Okay, who used to play veena? One goddess was there who used to play veena. That goddess name was Saraswati Ma. Okay, she always used to play this veena. Okay, this is also a string musical instrument. Okay, there some wire used to be. With the help of this, we are just playing it. It was a very ancient India game. Thank you for listening. I hope you all have understood.